Ciao tutti. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite summer salad. This salad is pretty, refreshing, tasty, and easy to make. It goes really well with grilled seafood, poultry, meats, and almost anything. It's really that good. What makes this salad special is its unique combination of fresh peaches or nectarines, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and balsamic vinegar of Modena. Throughout the video, I will provide information on how to choose a good Parmigiano Reggiano and a good balsamic vinegar. You will also find this information in the description box below. Let's get on with the recipe, shall we? Our ingredients are aged Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, the older the better, a ripe peach or nectarine, some lovely lettuce, a list of lettuces will follow, salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar of Modena, and extra virgin olive oil. That's it. Only 5 ingredients. We begin by shaving an old Parmigiano Reggiano, ideally between 30 and 36 months. This aged cheese has a nutty undertone versus the caramel undertones of the mild 12-month-old Parmigiano. We are looking for contrast between the peach and the cheese. This is why an older cheese is preferred. You can shave the cheese ahead of time and cover it if not using immediately. This is a salad that we put together at the last minute. Put the clean lettuce in a short and wide pretty bowl and dress. Add salt and pepper as well as a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Toss the salad. Regarding the salad greens, these are a neutral but necessary part of the salad. The lettuce is present to help balance all the sweet, tangy, and savory flavors. So choose greens that are mild flavored, such as butter lettuce, round, red leaf, oak leaf, and Boston bib lettuces. Remember that the flavor needs to be mild. Avoid greens that will compete with the flavors just mentioned. So a big no goes to kale, arugula, or rocket, cress, radicchio, iceberg, cabbage, spinach, etc., etc. Balsamic vinegar from Modena. Not all balsamic vinegars are worthy of that name. There is not enough time in this video to tell you all about good balsamic vinegar, but suffice it to say that it should not taste like vinegar. It should taste smooth, creamy, with tangy and sweet notes. I will link some decent brands below. Regarding extra virgin olive oil, there are many wonderful types out there that would be perfect for this salad. All of them are great. I'd only avoid using just bottled extra virgin olive oil because they can be bitter at times. Naturally, we also want to avoid using rancid olive oil. So before you pour it on, make sure you taste it. And speaking of tasting, grab a leaf and taste it to ensure that your salad is properly dressed. Adjust the seasoning if necessary. Right before serving, we slice the peach thinly. This is very important because the peach tends to turn color a little bit after it's been sitting out for a while. So I would suggest getting your salad ready, and then right before you serve, you dress the salad and you slice your peach. You can see I'm making very, very thin slices. And then we're going to assemble the salad. Remember, you've already had the Parmigiano Reggiano pre-sliced and covered. Ready to serve. We're going to toss that salad once again before final assembly. Place peach slices on the salad in a pattern that's pretty to look at. Food should always be pleasing to the eye. It definitely helps the appetite. And this is just such a lovely salad. It really does deserve the extra effort. In the end, it's not that hard. So now I'm going to top each slice of fruit with a slice of aged Parmigiano Reggiano. Actually, not a slice, but a shaving, a very thin shaving of Parmigiano Reggiano. Now add a drop or a drizzle of balsamic vinegar of Modena over each slice of fruit and cheese. This salad is ready to serve as is. No further tossing should be done. To serve, don't toss, but use your serving utensils to dig deep into the bowl and pick up some salad with fruit and cheese on top. I hope you really enjoy this. The sweetness of the peaches is amazing against the savoriness of the aged cheese. Enjoy. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ciao.